This is a 2014 released SOL for Algebra 1. Question number 8. What is the value of the expression when x equals 2/3? And they give you a polynomial x squared plus 3x minus 2. All you're simply going to do is plug in 2/3 anywhere you see an x. So we're going to have 2/3 squared plus 3 times 2/3 and then minus 2. Now of course 2/3 squared is going to be 4/9. And then when you multiply 3 times 2/3, that's kind of nice because this 3 and this 3 will cancel out, and all you're going to be left with right there is 2. And then don't forget you have minus 2. And look at that again, plus 2 and minus 2, they're gone. So you're only left with 4/9, which of course is choice D. Now many people would probably reach for their graphing calculator to do this type of problem because they don't like fractions. So let me show you how to make sure that you input it correctly in your graphing calculator. Now when you go to put this in your graphing calculator, what I want you to do first, and here we're going to make this a little bit bigger so we can see the screen, I want you to hit alpha and y equals. Now that first choice, n/d, will allow you to put things in fraction form, which is really nice. So when I type in 2/3 like that, it'll actually look like 2/3. Now if your calculator doesn't do that, one of two things is happening. One, you might need to update your operating system, and to do that you can go ahead and see one of the other videos. Just Google it. You'll be able to figure out how to update the operating system because you want the latest operating system on there, so it'll be able to do this kind of cool thing. So we've got 2/3, we're going to square that, and then plus 3 times, and then we've got our 2/3 again, so alpha y equals, choose that first one, numerator/denominator, and we're going to go ahead and key that entire thing in. And when you're all done, look at that, it gives you the answer nicely and neatly as a fraction. Now if your calculator doesn't have that ability to put it in a fraction form like that, because you have to upgrade your operating system, then the way that you would key it in would look just like that second piece there. And notice we get our answer as a decimal. And by this time in your course, you should know how to change a fraction to, or decimal to a fraction, simply by hitting the math button. And look at that beautiful option number 1 there, frac. So a lot of times you'll hear teachers call this math frac, and what you'll do is you'll just go ahead and enter, and if a decimal can be converted to a fraction, it will give you the fraction, which in this case is 4/9. And again, no matter how we slice it or dice it, we get the correct value for the expression when x equals 2/3 as answer choice D, 4/9.